Hi everyone and welcome. This is Andorf and today we'll jump right back into the FPS project that I showed you last time. I've reworked the code completely, so I haven't rewritten it from scratch, but I have basically restructured the code completely. So now it looks messier than before, but it's actually much more ordered. So you can see that I split the FPS controller into a controller, an inventory, and the shooting part. And then basically I have some subscripts that take care of movement inputs, the movement itself, animations, and equipment inputs. So like shooting or aiming, stuff like that. So I'll show you directly what it looks like. So you can see now we start having proper animations. So this is the idle animation. So when we start walking, we start walking. When we run, we got a run animation. When we crouch, basically the idle animation starts since we're going so slow. What happens is that if we want to shoot while running, we cannot do that. So for example, if I start running and then I start shooting, I have to slow down, or basically, I mean, the player controller automatically handles that, of course. So, which is something that you can see in most shooters. Usually, when you run, you can't shoot, so you got to slow down, increase your accuracy, and start shooting. And then if you let it go, you can continue shooting again. As you can see, we already have a basic shooting system. There is no spread yet, but I'll implement it in the future. Let's say in the future videos, there will probably be spread. We've got aiming, so we can aim, we can shoot, and we can shoot while not aiming, or we can shoot while aiming. So yeah, so this is basically how it's working right now. I don't have an object pooling system yet for the bullets and let's say the bullet holes, and also I've implemented a couple of things that I want to show you. Well, one of two things, but let's see. So for example, if you go onto the weapon, you can see we got a gun script. And this handles like different types of guns. So now we got an automatic gun. I can put it to semi-auto. If I put it to semi-auto, what happens is that you can see I can only shoot one bullet at a time, basically. If I spam the left mouse button, I can't shoot as many as I want, but there is a fire rate that prevents me from spamming it, basically. Yeah, so this is one type of gun. So if you use a pistol, for example, you would use that semi-automatic type. And you can also use spread, and you'd use this usually when you use shotguns. And this works in a similar way to the pistol, but you got an actual spread that it's very basic. You can see it's 4 bullets, but it's not always the same. The spread changes. The spread pattern in a random way, basically. And of course, if you shoot very close, you get it, like you're gonna be more accurate. But if you shoot it far away, you're gonna be less accurate. So it's a typical behavior of a shotgun. Don't use it if you're too far, basically. Okay. What else? Let's see. If I exit, and yeah, I'll show you. I'll quickly show you. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, here it is. So you can see there is the FPS shooting script. Usually, first-person shooters allow 2 different types of bullets. You have raycast bullets or physical bullets. Now I have implemented raycast bullets. I have not implemented physical bullets yet. The difference between the two, if you don't know it, is that raycast bullets just shoot raycasts, so they don't really have any kind of physics. They don't have ballistics, and they don't have game objects. They just use simple raycasts to find the point of collision of the bullet. Physical bullets, however, do have physics and do have ballistics, or you can add physics and ballistics basically. That's the cool thing about physical bullets. And yeah, I haven't implemented it yet. I'm not planning to implement it anytime soon, to be honest. Mainly because I'm going to deal with simpler weapons. So, and I'm not going to. I don't plan on making any games where you can have like simulated ballistics, let's say, so long range shootings and stuff like that. I'm mainly going to focus on games which are like small maps, pretty closed, short to medium range. So that's the guns I'm going to deal with most likely with this project. So the raycast type is the one I really need until now. And yeah, so this is it for now, guys. So I'll come back to you as soon as I have some more updates, and yeah, I'll let you know. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.